Find millions of verified B2B leads with just one click to optimize your outreach process. If you've ever been ghosted by us, it's hard enough to stand out when everyone's trying to impress the same decision makers, but companies also rarely have accurate contact info listed publicly. What if there was a B2B outreach platform that made it easy to build and maintain an audience of verified leads that click with your business? Introducing Nymblr. It's hard enough to stand out when everyone's trying to impress the same decision makers, but companies also rarely have accurate contact info listed publicly. What if there was a B2B outreach platform that made it easy to build and maintain an audience of verified leads that click with your business? Introducing Nymblr. Access a huge database of B2B contacts to find the best verified leads for your cold outreach. Enrich data and keep it accurate with real-time updates on a white-labeled platform that can be customized with API. What is Nymblr? Nymblr gives you access to millions of qualified B2B leads with verified contact info, so you can streamline your outreach campaigns. Nymblr helps you find the best verified B2B leads for your cold outreach campaigns, based on your ideal customer profile and marketing goals. You'll get access to a validated B2B contact database of over 70 million US-based business contacts, complete with email and direct phone lines. And since you can automatically validate emails in real time at no extra cost, you won't ever have to worry about paying for bad data. Once you find the best verified B2B contacts, Nymblr helps you build custom contact lists and audiences for targeted ads. When you run B2B ad campaigns through this platform, you won't be limited to native audience filters on social media platforms. Plus, it's a cinch to launch personalized campaigns for each account across channels like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and email. Nymblr also lets you add new contact and company info to your CRM, so you aren't stuck sorting through outdated documentation. You'll be able to update up to 50 contact points, including names, job titles, company info, emails, social media profiles, phone numbers, skills, and education. That way, you can maintain accurate data and update it in real time, either directly in Nymblr or using contact data APIs. Best of all, Nymblr gives you all the tools you need to build the effective team, audience, and workflows you need to grow your business. You can add unlimited users at no extra cost, so your entire team can work together on the same all-in-one platform. And thanks to the powerful white labeling features, you'll even be able to customize the platform with your own branding. Unlike hunting for great coffee in your city, you can't Google search your way to the best verified B2B leads. Nymblr plan and features. Lifetime access to Nymblr. All future all-inclusive plan up prospect finder, work and personal emails, mobile numbers, social media profiles, real-time email validation, contact and company enrichment, developer APIs, up to 50 data points per lead, audience builder, and 60-day money-back guarantee. Lucky for you, Nymblr makes it easy to find verified leads that align with your business needs, so you can close more deals in a snap. Power your B2B outreach with better data. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Nymblr today. One-time purchase of $39 only.